We have done a couple of different ways on a turkey, and today we want to present to you smoked turkey. I had talked to several people and they told me they don't like turkey. But there's no such thing as don't like turkey, it's just not done well. In order for turkey to turn really good, you have to brine it for 24 hours. We'll take all the giblets. We are not gonna throw it away. We'll use that for gravy. We'll take all this off. So I have a pot that I measure turkey fits in that pot. So I have 22 pounds turkey today. You can make one for Thanksgiving or you can make one for Christmas. That's a tradition. Before we're gonna put turkey in, I have here 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of sugar, apple cider vinegar, rosemary, thyme, and sage. We'll put some inside, and the rest we're just gonna put around the turkey. Let's dissolve all the salt and sugar. Thanksgiving and Christmas, one of our favorite holidays. My wife and I love that. What a perfect opportunity to be thankful. Be thankful to God, be thankful to your friends, and to people that's around you. That creates all kind of different atmosphere around you when you are thankful. We got all this dissolved. Our bird goes inside of that pot. We're gonna throw them around, and I'm gonna use another trick tomorrow to make that turkey juicy, moist, tasty. This goes in a fridge for 24 hours. In our case, a little less, but you can put it for longer because it's much better when the turkey is brine. All right, guys, it's time to cook that turkey. I'm leaving all this inside. The rosemary, sage, and thyme. It's gonna stay inside. All the organs, throw them in a pot. I have this pot that I'm gonna use for turkey. I'm gonna collect all the dripping. We're gonna use gravy. It's gonna be awesome. So we're gonna add a little bit of water here. We will inject some of the flavor inside the turkey. 2 sticks of butter. I'm gonna go inside of my smoker. We're gonna pour some apple juice here. A little bit of water. 2 onions cut in half. Goes inside. 3 carrots. This goes underneath of turkey. We are gonna use it for our gravy. So we'll set turkey right on top of it, guy. Apple juice, olive oil, a lemon juice. Butter got melted. All right, let's send it here. Mix all this. You get one of these in grocery stores. I usually do 1 and a leg. 1 in the thigh area. I do about 6 in the breast area. Breast always gets dry, so using this is gonna keep your turkey moist. Then let's use some on the wings. And the rest of it, just pour it inside. Let's use everything. Now look at this turkey. Awesome. Grill preheated to 350. I'm gonna cook it on high. I don't like cooked turkey on low. It gets dry. I wanna cook it fast. It's gonna be very moist. And we're gonna use a couple of tricks during the cooking process. Stay with me, you're gonna see. Let's put turkey inside. let it cook. And remember, if you keep looking, it ain't cooking. This has been going for some time now. I'm gonna use one more trick. This tube here, you can get it from Amazon. This is smoker. You fill this with pellets, set it on fire. Let this burn for about 10 minutes. Once you see this created column there, you want to kill the fire. Set it on the side like this. And this will produce constant smoke. Set this inside here. Right by your turkey. And close it. You'll have more smoke that way. We've been cooking for about 1 hour and a half. Look how it looks. We're gonna add bacon on top. Let's continue cooking. We are gonna braise this turkey to get skin softer. Do the best you can to get under. Gosh, the smell of it, I wish I can somehow have that smell on the camera. The smell is just unbelievable. We've been cooking this for 5 hours now. Look at this. Look at all the juices. "35 degrees to go."